Good morning. This is Mr. Eric of Recross Properties. Yes, this is 3-bedroom, all en suite with a visitor washroom. That comes with your kitchen and area for your washing machine. It comes with AC at the living room and the master bedroom and that of the second bedroom. And it's going for rent. Yes. So this is the living area that comes with a light gray. Yes. So it come with 2 fans at the living room here. Come with a POP ceiling, white paint. Yes. So you have a very big living area. Yes, so this is how the living area look like. A very big space living area, all standard. So before I take you to the rooms, let me take you to my first room right over here. Yes, so this is the first bedroom here. Painted all white. That comes with your wardrobe and your washroom. And don't forget, it comes with water heater. So stay tuned as I tour with you here in this apartment. This is the AC right over here. So a very spacious master bedroom by all standards. So the master bedroom gets you 2 ceiling fan right over here. That comes with your wardrobe, 3-in-1 wardrobe. Yes. So then let me take you to the washroom. This is the washroom that comes with all your washroom accessories and the water heater well fixed here. So you have an open space washroom, very spacious washroom. So from the master bedroom, I take you straight away to and come back to the living area, taking you straight away to the 2 other bedrooms. So before you enter from the living area, there is a gate that separates these 2 bedrooms right over here. So the 2 bedroom, one is here, one is on my left, and this is your visitor washroom. So in case you have a visitor and you want to make him or herself good, you have a spacious, neatly washroom for that of your visitor. Yes, so it has been taken care of. You have no problem. Yes, so this is the open space here. Yes, there's an open space here. I've already told you this is the visitor washroom here, and this 1 bedroom. So let me take you to my left. Very neatly worked. Nice painting done here. Yes. That comes with your wardrobe as well, and it has an AC installed here. I earlier mentioned in it. So if you are interested in renting 3-bedroom apartment, kindly hit me up. Yeah, so this is the washroom. Come with a very beautiful tiles and your mirror well fixed here. Come with your water heater too. Yes. So this 3-bedroom, AC installed, your water heater installed, you have your wardrobe, then your fans here as well. All right, so join me as I take you to the last bedroom here. So this is the last bedroom here, also well painted white. That comes with your fan, and the last bedroom doesn't have AC, but there's a connection down here if you come and want to fix your AC is well allowed. And this is the washroom, a neatly washroom here. So take your time, enjoy the video. Come with your washroom accessories, 2-in-1 shower, having a natural lighting coming from the window. Very spacious window by our standards. Yes. So once again, it's 3-bedroom apartment going on. So I'm taking you back and show you where my ladies like most. Once again, I'll get you back to the living area. So from the living area straight to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, a very spacious kitchen. A very spacious kitchen. That comes with a very cute kitchen cabinet right over here. So connection has been made. You have your sockets here if you want to plug it in. This connection has lead back. It has been locked. That's where the washing machine has been set up. So from the kitchen, you have a balcony right over here. So they have this security lock here just to protect any intruder. So from the kitchen, you have a very cute storeroom here. A very cute storeroom. Just to keep the stuffs which you want to hide them from the kitchen. Yeah, so this is how the kitchen looks like. A very simple tour with you here. I know you love it. So if you are interested in renting 3-bedroom here, can really hit me. Yes. So the light and everything is working and stable here in this apartment.